India is home to 11% of the total global urban population. By 2027, India will surpass China as the most populous country in the world. In this context, we can say that urbanization is the key to India's future. In this Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Niti Aayog released a report on measures to ramp up urban planning capacity in India. In the coming years, Urban India will power the growth of Indian economy. Urban challenges, including town planning, need greater policy attention in our country. This report realizes the need for cities to be compact and ensure better livability through transport-oriented development, and with this, a new phase of urban planning has begun in India. Let us go over the key highlights of this report that intends to unblock bottlenecks in the value chain of urban planning capacity in India. The report says that every city must aspire to become a healthy city for all by 2030. For this, it recommends a central sector scheme, 500 Healthy Cities program, for a period of 5 years, wherein priority cities and towns would be selected jointly by the state and local bodies. The report further recommends that all the cities and towns under the proposed Health Cities program should strengthen development control regulations based on scientific evidence to maximize the efficiency of urban land. To re-engineer urban governance, the report recommends the constitution of a high-powered committee that should adopt advanced technology for enabling public participation and inter-agency coordination. The report also highlights that while it is important to maintain the master plan's technical rigor, it is equally important to demystify them for enabling citizens' participation at relevant stages. Therefore, the committee strongly recommends a citizen outreach campaign for demystifying urban planning. Most importantly, the report recommends that concerned measures must be taken at multiple levels to strengthen the role of the private sector to improve the overall planning capacity in the country. These include the adoption of fair processes for procuring technical consultancy services, strengthening project structuring and management skills in the public sector, and empowerment of private sector consultancies. Taking a step further, the report calls for the strengthening of urban planning education system, wherein the central universities and technical institutions in all the other state and union territories are encouraged to offer postgraduate degree programs, MTech planning, to cater to the requirement of planners in the country in a phased manner. Taking a leap with the technological advancement of India, the report calls for a national digital platform of town and country planners within the National Urban Innovation Stack of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. This portal will enable the self-registration of all planners and evolve as a marketplace for potential employers and urban planners. In conclusion, all the recommendations under this project call for greater synergies among the public and private sectors and educational institutions that will provide a massive boost towards making Indian cities more livable, competitive and sustainable. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to know more about urban developments happening in India.